has become. We are honoring the 359th Transportation Company of Vietnam. Their group was unable to try to move over here where the ropes are so we don't get you caught up in fire. Move over to this side here. Plus you'll hear me a lot better over here. 359th had their reunion here about 3-4 years ago. They decided to name this museum the home of the 359th Transportation Company. The mission of the 359th was to haul gasoline, diesel, and particularly jet fuel from the South China Sea up into the Central Highlands. They provided jet fuel for the 1st Cavalry Division in Vietnam. If you saw We Were Soldiers, and any of you saw that movie, that was 1st Cav. And part of the job of the 359 was to provide fuel for that. The North Vietnamese realized that these tanker trucks were great things to shoot at. Roger Blake, who was the owner of Brutus, was the third driver of Brutus in Vietnam. He will say the tankers burned tremendously when they hit them. So what soldiers did in the field, this is a 5-ton cargo truck. They use something, all of you Army guys are going to recognize the phrase midnight requisition. Basically, they stole stuff. Armor plate comes from a Navy base. There's a Gatling gun on the back of Brutus, came off a crashed helicopter. They scrounged 50 caliber weaponry. That was what they did to try to defend these convoys. There would be anywhere from 30 to 80 of these tanker trucks in a convoy. There would be 1-ton truck to every 10 tanker trucks that was in that convoy. Very long convoy, very slow. They were going uphill against South China Sea. Pleiku was about a 5,000-foot rise. As they were going uphill, the best they would do is somewhere between 3 and 8 miles an hour. Very ripe targets. So what our guys will be demonstrating here, the convoy has stopped. They have a concern about mines. We're going to have a mine gentleman sweeping for mines for a convoy before it can proceed. And then you'll get a chance to see what happens next.
Wait. This was made by God. What? Oh, I think they're gonna do the hand signal thing. They're kind of like this. I'm too tired. You're gonna need to plug your ears a little bit, okay? It's gonna get loud. So, I wanna
Yeah, that's awesome.
Or do you want to keep watching? Well, they're in the trees. Look! One comes out of the forest. They're in the trees. Oh, they're all of them. Oh, I see one. I don't think he got him. Yes, he did.
Looks like the NVA didn't make it this time. Unfortunately, we couldn't give you full realism. In real life, that tanker would be burning like a Roman candle. We don't want to do that to the truck, unfortunately. So, thank you again for coming out this afternoon, folks. If you got any questions?